Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came out of a Zenpop box. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider over at zenpop.jp for a discount. Wow. Ribbed. This is Acecook Potato Butter Shio. And you know what that means? It's got potatoes and it's got butter. And it's a salt ramen. So here's the noodle block going right in there. And then seasoning right in there. And then we have a little bit of something really trippy and weird and cool at the same time. What's that, you ask? That yes, friends, it's dehydrated butter. Yeah. Have you ever seen the like? No? Well, that's because there ain't nothing else like it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's do this without making a mess. There. Well, we made a bit of a mess. But let's put a lid on it. Hold on, Miriam! Hold your horses. I need a lid. Okay, let's put this lid on here. And let's put this on top. And we're gonna do, gosh, I don't know how long. Is it 3 minutes? Is it 4 minutes? Where did I put that? I need the label. Where's the label? Do you know where I put the label? There it is. Oh, you know, honestly, it's gonna be on the lid, but 3 minutes. There we go. So we went on a really long walk this morning. We did 11 miles. What else? Gearing up for the holiday season. We got all of our outfitting ready. So here's the deal. Every year we go to the photo place and we get all our pictures done in a group photo to put on cards and whatnot. And my wife, she's always said, yep, we're all gonna wear red. Like, okay. Okay with that. So everybody's got what they're gonna wear, and we got to go to this. We used to go to this place called the Picture People, and the Picture People was rad. Actually, originally we went to Walmart, but they don't have a photo shop anymore, except for in Canada. And then we went to JCPenney, which is like, if you go there, I feel so bad for you because it's just not worth it. They suck. But then there's the Picture People. They used to have one at the mall right over here, but they don't anymore, which really blows. So we have to go all the way down to Tukwila to, what is that place called? Bye Bye Baby, which is like a baby store. but they've got a studio in there, and it's the Picture People, and they've got all the backdrops and stuff. I've gotten a couple of I usually get a couple shots done for the Ramen Raider there while I'm at it, you know. So I'll probably do that again this year. They're usually okay. Oh, do you want one for Facebook? Oh, that's fine. You know, it's like, well, it's not like just like a personal thing or something, but you know, whatever. And okay, it's got 20 seconds left. I honestly don't remember exactly how this is supposed to go down, but I'm gonna do it a certain way. So let's stir this a little bit. And one, yeah, there we go. So we're gonna give it a little stir. I'm gonna drop this pat of butter on top. Pat! Oh, and we don't want to just like lose it in here. Okay, now we need the spoon. Wilderness. So here's our pat of butter. Let go of the pat of butter. Okay. Okay, you hang out there, pat of butter. And now we'll give this a try. So it's potato, butter, Shio by Acecook from a Zen Pop box. It's cool. Yeah. I'm thinking I like that. Yeah. Whoops. Splash. Like bukkake. That's what bukkake means, is splash. Okay. Now, come on, pat of butter. There you are. Now, let's get it all together. Chashu. Finally, I've learned the correct way to get eggs out of this. You pinch the side a little bit, causes some air to get in, and that's that. That's all she wrote for getting that sucker out. Yay. Talk last night about Thanksgiving and what we're gonna have for Thanksgiving. we got onto the topic of dessert, and we're gonna get this stuff that we always see up in Canada. It's called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, it's panettone. It's come on, here we go. It's like a dessert, like an Italian dessert bread kind of thing. Sounds interesting. I don't think it's like fruit cake, but sounds interesting. Have something new and neat to try. So that is what's going to happen. So we'll have to go up to Canada next weekend. Yeah. Woo. Maybe we'll go to the Hello Kitty store for little Mimi. And you know what? I'm in the mood, so I'm going to do it to it. I'm going to drop a little extra love bomb on here. Some pickled ginger. And I'll just use the same shichimi I used last time. And a little bit of oil. Oh, a lot bit of oil. Some right in the middle. And there is our potato, tomato, no, there's no tomato, but our potato butter Shio action right there for you. Come on, let's get it together. Like that. Rotato, take it away. Alright, well cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Hope you're having a good one, and I will catch you on the flip side. Alright, bye. Bye. Bye.